I would like to talk about making strong choices as an actor. Do you strive for a deeper understanding of how to make strong choices as an actor? In this video, I will explain what is meant by acting choices. I will also provide you with tools of this process to help you find your way into making stronger choices as an actor. In acting, choices are how actors use their skills to bring their character to life in a scene. Making effective choices as an actor starts with a deep understanding of script analysis, as well as a solid process for creating a character. The savvy actor develops these skills by going to class, watching great actors in film, television, and the theater, and consistently reading a variety of different plays and screenplays. I encourage you to check out my previous video in my How to Work on Acting at Home series called Reading. So here are my 3 practical steps of what actors can do to strengthen their acting choices. So here is step 1. When you look at a script, it doesn't matter how long the scene is or how short the scene is. Gather all of the information. The key to making strong acting choices is to become a master detective as an actor and fill yourself up with as much information about the character's given circumstances as possible. It's not just the facts about what's going on in the circumstances, but it's also connecting your empathy to what the character's going through and using your imagination to ask yourself the following question. What is my character going through right now? The way that you ask yourself that question after gathering the information about the material and the given circumstances is the first step to making strong acting choices. Step 2. There is no such thing as a casual scene. As actors, we need to develop a keen sense of how to pick out the drama in every scene. Even in comedy, there should be some sort of major life or death conflict. We need to sniff out the conflict like a bloodhound. The lines are just the clues. Finding the drama in the scene will help you build upon the empathy that you opened up to in step 1 and strengthen your understanding of what the character is experiencing in the circumstances. Step 3. Choices aren't line readings. As Stella Adler said, you are not acting words. Also, the old saying that acting is doing really comes into play. When you see a line such as, "I'm so sorry for your loss," and then there is an exclamation point at the end of that line, sometimes as actors we can belabor how to say that line. Why is there an exclamation point? Should I yell the line because there's an exclamation point? We really get caught in how should the line sound rather than asking ourselves the question about what my character is doing emotionally and psychologically to the person that they're saying that line to. The ability to inform ourselves about the given circumstances, the ability to understand the drama in the scene, and then the ability to ask ourselves deep questions about what our character might be doing. Exploring those possibilities is the foundation of how to make strong acting choices as an actor. I encourage you to explore and look at some of the other videos already on this channel for more information on personalizing, more information on how to send an action, and more information on how to build a character. All of these different ingredients will help you understand what it means to make strong choices as an actor. I hope this helps you get started on your journey for making stronger acting choices. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.